Welcome to Upstarters. In this video, I will show you how to switch between different Roblox avatars. To do that, you should have multiple avatars in your account. I'm on desktop Roblox app. To switch my Roblox avatar, I'll click my name or profile icon from the top right. After that, press edit appearance and then select switch avatar. Right now I have got this avatar. So let's select switch avatar option, and from the top make sure avatars is selected. And these are the avatars that I have got. Simply select an avatar to switch your avatar. For example, if I want this avatar, I'll have to just click at this avatar and this avatar will be selected. To see the changes, I'll click home and you see avatar here has changed. To verify it, let's press the profile icon or name again, and here it is. To switch it back, click edit appearance, switch avatar, and click on a different avatar, and that's it. So this is how you can switch avatar in Roblox. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.